Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ito po si Hilda. We'll be sharing with you the vitamins of her life. One vitamins that I will share with you ay yung aking personal experience when I was sent to attend a short course abroad. It happens in Europe. First, well, in my life, since I was in elementary, we were brought up by our mother to always attend Holy Mass. And up to now, it's part of my life. I attend Holy Mass daily as much as possible. Why? Because as I reflect on my life, I realized that there are two selves. May dalawang katauhan tayo. Two selves. The physical self and the spiritual self. The physical self ay pinapakain natin, di ba? Ng 3 beses. However, minsan nga 6 na beses pa yung iba, right? Ano yun? Bakit pinapakain natin para maging malakas ang ating katawan? So, mayroon tayong almusal, snacks sa umaga, tanghalian, snacks again in the afternoon, and then gabihan or the dinner. Yung iba nanonoche buena pa, di ba? So, ganyan natin pakainin ang ating physical self. However, the other self, which is spiritual self, ay maybe, most of us ay nakakalimutan pakainin or napapakain lang baka once a week. Baka yung pakain pa ay konti lang, right? What do I mean? The spiritual self, yun yung nararamdaman natin, yun yung naiisip natin, yun yung mga pumapasok sa isip natin at nararamdaman natin. Pag sa akin, I realize na pag palatandaan na gutom ang spiritual self, yung madali tayong magalit, madali tayong magsalita ng hindi maganda, ibig sabihin nakakasakit tayo ng ating kapwa at nasasaktan din natin ang ating sarili. So, paano natin mapapakain or mapapalakas ang ating spiritual self? Yun yung conscience is part of our spiritual self. Well, this is my experience. Pag ako hindi nakapag-attend ng Holy Mass or nakapagbasa ng to nourish my spiritual self, I feel sad. Hindi ako masaya. So, at yun, nagiging madali rin akong mabwisit, mainis. Na pag nabubwisit tayo, ako, all this that I'm saying is based on my experience, personal experience. Pag naiinis tayo, ang una nating napaparusahan ay ang sarili. Because, mayroon akong nabasa na pag tayo na inis or nagalit, we produce acid to ourselves or the negative energy. So una, halimbawa, galit ako sa may isang follower ako na nag-comment tapos nainis ako. Ang unang tinatamaan ng negative impact ay ang sarili ko, not the subscriber. So, sabi nga, we have to love our number one enemy. Our number one enemy is ourselves if we cannot manage our emotions. And that is in connection with our spiritual self. That is why it's very important na hanggat maaari, 24/7 of our life, we always thank God. We always acknowledge His presence in our lives. So sabi ko nga, makawiwi lang tayo. Sabihin natin, salamat Panginoon. Di ba? Ang dami-daming hindi na nahirapan na magwiwi. Nagkakasakit sa kidney. So, yung narinig ko nga sa news, ilan yung malaking numbers ay namamatay because of kidney failure. So it's very important na hindi lang ang dapat balanse, the physical and spiritual self dapat natin pakainin, busugin lagi nang sa gayon we will live a meaningful and joyful life. So, yan yung again, sabihin niyo po ulit-ulit to again, what I'm saying is, karanasan ko for my 40 years career in my life. Now that I have graduated from my career life, so now I'm sharing with you all the learnings which for me serves as my vitamins. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. See you again.